You're right, people. I'm going to powder the green parts. I was going to do the silver parts first, but I'm going to do these. They've all been rubbed down. I need, see the holes, the screw holes, these things. I need to put heat resistant bungs in them because if you get the other powder coat on the threads or on the insides, you ain't going to get the bolts back in or on the end of the bars and stuff. I ordered some and it's been a week. They reckon I've posted them. What do you do? I don't disbelieve them, like, but you know, if they ain't got them, then just refund it and I'll get them from somewhere else. Anyway, last night I got that fed up of waiting for them. I messaged somebody and said, "Have you got them in stock?" He said, "Yeah." I said, "Please promise me you've got them in stock because I need them. Like, I would need to get on with the project I'm on with." He said, "Yep, I've got them. Post them out straight away." So I did them last night. They were marked as dispatched this morning. So hopefully they'll be here by the weekend. And then I can get on with the silver bits. But I can get on with the bars, and I bought some, where did I put it? Oh, right. Heat resistant tape, and that's to go around the threads on the end of each one. So when I powder coat them, I'm not powder coating the threads like I said, that way the bolts will go back on. I've left the ends open because I'll spray in there. It's not going to affect the threads at all. And then stuff like this, I'm actually going to, well, I'll not tell you what I'm going to do with that because that'll be coming up in a video. A safer way to do all of them without getting it on the, you know, like I say, the thread. So let's crack on with this bit. Right, here we go. That's it. Instruction I made. Right. It has to go in there. This is extremely tight. They do go in there. So it's got to have oh, hang on a minute. Once it gets to 180 degrees, give it 10 minutes, and we'll see what they look like then. I'll have to let them cool down first, obviously, so I'll catch you in 10 minutes, right? Well, there you have them. They're done. I'm pretty impressed with them. I can't touch them at the moment because they're too hot. But that'll be them two done. I've got two more pieces in green to do. And then I can crack on with the red. We'll let them cool down and we'll have a look at them in a bit. Okay, so they're dry now. I think you get the gist. See that? I'm going to put that tape round so that the thread was okay. That comes off. If you look, the ends are done as well. So when you've got it on the machine, it will look like that. But same the other side. This one I've still got to take the tape off and the wire that I had it hanging on. I've got the roller in the oven at the moment, so I'll do another video when I'm doing the red. So if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, people. Bye.